How to delete calculator history on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your calculator history on iPhone, especially with the new updates in iOS 18. This will help you clear up any calculations you no longer need and keep your app tidy. First, open the calculator app on your iPhone. You'll notice that your previous calculations are displayed in the app. To clear the history, simply swipe left on your history area and you'll see a clear option. Tap clear to remove all the calculations at once, and then confirm it by clicking on clear history. Alternatively, if you want to clear just a single calculation, swipe left on it and tap delete. If you're using a third party calculator app, the steps might differ, but they typically have the similar options to clear history from within the app's settings. And that's it. Your calculator and that's it. Your calculator history is now gone. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye.